Hello, I welcome you all to my another video of rooftop bonsai garden. Actually, I was not prepared today's video. It's raining. The rain dragged me into the video. Uh, Me and my bonsai trees are enjoying the rain. This part of my garden actually it's not my roof. This is my balcony. I just put some rack and try to do some gardening here. Most of the jades are here in this balcony. See, and this bonsai's age is about 1 year. I remember last rainy season I bought this bonsai Z as a cutting, and now these are already grown. I have wired these trees. See, actually I pruned also the tree. I cut the branches. I have also I have my plant to more pruning for this season. Actually there are only few trees here in this balcony. There are 2 racks in this balcony. See, there are 2 racks in this balcony. Actually I love this place very much. I spend some good time here. I work this in my leisure time. Actually not also in some busy time I spend 5 or 10 minutes. It refresh me. This is a small ZT. I have a plan to make it as a mame bonsai. See, okay, let's go to rooftop. The rain is over. So actually I plan to enjoy rain in or on roof, but unfortunately rain is over. So I have some plan to work with my plant. It's my today is holiday. Next tomorrow is Friday and Saturday is my off day. So I will work with my garden. First I have planned for the air layering. I need to propagate my trees. For some reasons I need to shorten the length, which will make the bonsai beautiful, such as this is a long tree. So I plan to make a propagation from here or shorten the length. It will make the bonsai look beautiful. Also it will help to wire the bonsai tree. There are many trees for which I need to do air layering. Already I have made some air layering for shortening the length of my bonsai tree. See this tree. This is a Barbados cherry tree, and air layering is you can do it in rainy season easily. See, from this mother tree I have already made 4 air layering. See, here I will get a nice bonsai material. Oh, it's raining. Rain has started yet, and there are another layer of air layering. Here is another one. Here is another one, and I will next work with this stem also. So there are many air layering in my schedule. Next days, next Friday and Saturday I will work with my garden. Mainly I will reporting and air layering with my trees. And this is my Another bonsai material collection. See, this is called Barsera. It's actually a bit tough to work with. You see there are sharp edges of this tree, so sometimes you cut your hair with this. I got some 4 or 5 trees of Barsera. In Bengali it's called Shet Chandran. Also here are some Barsera trees. I will also work with those. I will propagate from those other cutting from these mother trees. See, in rainy season you got leaves in Barsera tree, but in winter you will so see no leaves in Barsera. Here are yeah, there are some flower I have seen in my Barbados cherry. See, I in cherry types this Barbados cherries flower is the most beautiful as of I think. I have also see I made some air layering. I'll get another tree from here. See already I got the root. See, heavy root system. See, easily I can make one tree from here. See, and next I will work with this stem. So next few days I will work with those trees for shorten my length. Okay, there are some trees also which is planned for propagating air layering. See, there are another tree. I have defoliated the leaves. This is a thickened stem. Actually the age of this tree is almost 3 years. I have planned to cut this from this region. See, if I cut this I'll get a very good material from here. See, and I need to also pruning this tree. Actually this is a nice material. There are also some other trees. Yeah, see, from here I'll get a good tree, good bonsai materials. So this is actually my collection will impressed, and rainy season is the season you can increase your collection. Other than rainy season, if you try to propagate your cuttings, it will not be happened. There are some other trees. A few hours later or tomorrow I will work with air layering. Maybe hour later or maybe soon tomorrow. There are I have put my their soils here. I have already mixed the soil with cow dung and garden soil. Also I have used sand with those. Okay, I'm coming soon with my next video. I will show you air layering, how I do the air layering with plastics and how I cover the air layering area, how I shorten and get the new bonsai material from a mother tree. Okay, for now, thanks to all for within us. Thank you all.